So now I've just created this BlogSummeriser. So before running, okay, I will create a API, a gateway first. API gateway. Then so I'm going to create new API. HTTP API I'm going to give. I'm just using as usual everything. Okay, wait. Use an existing API. Use new API. Wait. So this one. So I'm going to create a new API. API gateway. Create a new API. This one I don't know. So this is required. I'm going to click open. I think I don't want to create from here. Directly I will go to API gateway. Then from here, yeah. So already one is created, so I will create one more. So build and then create an API. The API name will be blog summarizer app, and I will give the same thing. And integration will be, and for now no integration needed. Next we will click on, next we will click on, and default stage we will keep it. But if you want to create a stage, we can create like this, a stage. So that is fine. Create a dev stage and then create. Now you will configure the route. So for configuring the route, you can click on create, and however is a post API call. So we'll just log and then name of and the route path will be summarizer app, and then click on create. So yeah, now after okay, you have to integrate your API with our Lambda function. For that you have to click on this integration. Then search Lambda function. It will be coming automatically. See, two things are there. I wanted to integrate with BlogSummeriser app. So just click on create. Yeah, that's it. Your API is now integrated with the BlogSummeriser app. So you want to check that one, just go to Lambda function. You can see this is our app, BlogSummeriser app. Yeah, see, the API is integrated with BlogSummerizer. This is what it has. So now for time being, I have just copied the code. So I will explain you. So this is what the Lambda handler here from the event body. We are going to get the blog URL, and then we are passing the blog URL to the get summary method, where we will get the response from as a summary, blog summary. And then once the summary is received, what if the summary is received, then we are saving that one in the bucket as a text file. So you can see here as a text file. This text file we are storing it in the S3 bucket name. So the generated summary, we are just passing it to the save blog summary details. And this method, if you see, there is a key and there is a bucket name, and then summary, what you are going to store in that content. So key is what our file name, and bucket is what our folder means the bucket name. And then you are just putting that object and then just saving it to the S3 bucket. And this is what a simple BlogSummeriser API function, where you can generate a summary of any blog if you want to. So this is what. So I'm going to deploy this first, and then once it is deployed, we can if you want to test from here, you can directly test. Otherwise, you can test it from the API gateway. So click on the API gateway, and this is what your endpoint. So you can just copy this endpoint, and then what you can do, you can go to your Postman. So I already generated one thing. So this is the previous one. I will just copy what I will do, I will just is this. So I will create one more duplicate from this. So and then I will just click on post, and then I will do this one, and then in the body you can just draw, then you can enter what is that blog URL, then colon, then your URL. So we have to we can beautify using this, then we can enter the URL that we can get it from this, from the any blog the Google. So first, but for that what I wanted to do, I wanted to get the URL, blog URL. Let's say we are exploring about the latest GPT 4.0. So this is what the latest chat GPT has released. So we can search related about that. Yeah. So here is a nice blog where it is explaining about GPT 4.0. It is a GPT 4.0. It's an omni model, and where it can work with multi-modal modalities for text, vision, audio. So that is what the thing. So we will just check this one, and then where is our Postman? Can click on enter. See, okay, it is telling no form. So there is a mistake. I am not sure what is that mistake. Let me find out using the monitor. There is a logs associated with the application Lambda function. So we can go to CloudWatch to watch the logs, what is happening there. Since it is telling method not found, something is fishy there. Let's find that. Let's find it out. Okay, what it is telling. There is no much. Okay. See what it is telling. It is telling. It is not telling much. 2 minutes build duration, something 2 milliseconds, but we did not get any event. Let's try for go to code, go to configuration, then general configuration. Yeah, see, the thing is, it for this script to execute, it at least takes some time, but our timeout, we have mentioned it as on 0.3 seconds. So that is the reason it is getting timed out. We can increase up to 30. I think 15 is the maximum. 15 minutes just for temporary, I mean our demo purpose. We will just create like this. Now let's see. And then now I think I have increased. Now just try one more time. If it is telling, I think again it is telling method not watch the cloud. Again see the logs, what is telling. It's nothing, it is telling. Okay, it is not telling anything, but what we can do, go to code. Okay, maybe there is, I mean the lambda function is not getting triggered. So for that we need a latest Boto 3 files. So for that, if you want to what is that, get wanted to make that work, I think we have to install Boto 3 Python libraries in our local and then zip it. and then upload that as a layer.